This is the base layer of the flower. I'm using a mid-tone of the color of the flower. Although your base layer is just one color, pay attention to the shapes of the petals you have drawn. Try to apply the paint so that the lines underneath your paint are still visible.